country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade X Jasper. Today's international news is brought to you by V. Bhargavi. Pakistan Supreme Court has ordered the former Prime Minister Imran Khan to be moved from jail to hospital for treatment. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Today's national news is brought to you by Lakshmi Prasanna. NEET UG protest. Delhi police tells SC that facial recognition technology was used in legitimate state interest. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Srijanya brought you today's state news. Telangana is planning to become a clean energy manufacturing hub with a target of 20,000 solar capacity by 2030. Thank you. Have a wonderful day everyone who are all present here. This is Veena brought you today's sports news. Rishabh Pant created history by becoming the fastest batter to play 106 in Test cricket, while India defeated South Africa in the Hockey World Cup. Thank you and have a short day ahead.
Weather report is brought to you by Sana. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy, wind speed 24 km per hour, precipitation 10%, humidity 30%. Thank you. That's the end of news bulletin. Have a great day ahead.
Who are all present here? I am Gitangi of Grade X. Thought. In mathematics, every problem has a solution. So, in your life, never give up. Learn, explore and find your answer. I'll repeat it once again. In mathematics, every problem has solution. So, in your life, never give up. Even in the hard situations, learn, explore and find your answer. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by Pavitra. Defenestration. It has a Latin origin. De means out of or away from. Fenestrate means window. Its meaning is throwing someone or something out of the window. Example, because of getting angry, the teacher defenestrated the book. Friends, please spell after me. Defenestration. D-E-F-E-N-S-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. Thank you and have a nice day. I am Shredika of Grade X Jasper brought you today's GK questions. Question for grade 7. Where did the famous magic squares originated from? I will repeat my question. Where did the famous magic squares originated from? Where did the famous magic squares originated from? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the answer is ancient China. Question for grade 8. I am thinking of a number. If you multiply it by itself, you will get the same answer as when you multiply it by 4. Can you guess what is that number? Sorry, you picked the wrong answer and the answer is 4. Question for grade 9. The number which represents the ratio of a circumference of a circle to its diameter is? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is pi. Let us all appreciate them. Question for grade 10. The smallest number which is formed by multiplying the smallest 3 distinct prime factors is? I will repeat my question. The smallest number which is formed by multiplying the smallest prime factors is? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 30. Let us all appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. Which movie story tells about the famous mathematician Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan is? I will repeat my question. Which movie story tells about the famous mathematician Sir Srinivasa Ramanujan is? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the answer is The Man Who Knew Infinity. Question number 2. Who is father of mathematics?
Mathematics.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Archimedes. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Who are present here. This is Vasudha from Grade X Jasper. Now I am going to speak about math. Math may look crazy, but actually it is everywhere. We use it while solving problems and counting money and playing games and deciding how many chocolates we can eat before our parents notice. When we see a difficult math problem, our brain says, let's run. But we should tell our brain, relax, you can solve it. And math teaches us that every problem has a solution. We just need patience and practice and sometimes a little help from your calculator. And friends, please remember this special formula. Add confidence, subtract fear, multiply your hard work and divide your worries. And if you still don't like math, don't worry because math will always love you because you're its favorite problem. Thank you and have a mathematically wonderful day ahead.
These amazing facts about you by Shanmuki. Fact number 1. Every odd number contains letter E. Fact number 2. 40. When spelled has its letters arranged in as an alphabetical order. Fact number 3. The first odd numbers create perfect squares. Fact number 4. 4 has 4 letters. 4 has 4 letters. It's the only number from 0 to 1000 which contains letter A. Thank you. Have a great day.
And here, today's conversation is brought to you by Tanma and Viharika from Grade X Jasper. Hey, do you know what is infinity?
Yeah, it is the bigger number than every other number.
Almost. Infinity is something that goes on forever but never ends.
Never ends like a math class.
Exactly.
So what comes after infinity?
Nothing.
Wow, even numbers have retirement plans?
But here something's crazy. Infinity plus 1 is still infinity.
Wait, so if I have infinity chocolates and you give me one more?
You'll still have infinity chocolates.
Finally, a math topic that doesn't include X in it.
But here's something even crazier. Infinity is bigger than another infinity.
Wait, infinity has a bigger brother?
Yes.
So, my excuses for not doing maths homework are infinity?
Yes, Viharika. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Signing off, Viharika and Tanmay. Thank you.